The Altgeld Chimes, I think, means a lot of different things to a lot of different people. To us, it's really the sound of bells ringing across campus that can bring certain parts of it to life. It's something that people can walk by and hear "If Only I Had a Brain" while they're going to their final exam. These are things that people have stories and memories of that are very important to the experience of the university. Because of the Altgeld renovations, we are fully expecting to not have access to the Chimes Tower for multiple years. And due to this, we really felt that a recording project would be a great sort of final big thing to do so that, when the chimes are silent over the university, that we can have something that people can go and listen to maybe fill that space. So everyone who is performing, we sort of classify, I guess, as a chimes player. And once a chimes player, always a chimes player. We basically go up into the tower and we performed a lot of different pieces for recorders who were sitting down near the alma mater, actually. And over the course of 3 or 4 hours, I was looking at the room grow and seeing all the community within the chimes, former players, current players, who were really just there to be a part of something that they felt was important. The idea right now is to create actually a CD or potentially a vinyl. We also plan on having this music available digitally through some sort of free accessible medium online. So it's a fascinating thing for archival use down the future, but really for right now, it's about us and our community and how we want to give something to the city and this university.